Hello guys, welcome to Easy Tech. So today guys, this is iPhone X performing today. So this phone is not increasing. So it was charging but it's not increasing. So remain on 0%. So it's charging but it's not increasing. So I put my charger to it. So according to complaint of the customer, so he said after some minutes the phone will off itself, and this is caused due to insufficient battery on it. So when I check, so I see that it's not increasing. So what is actually the fault? What can cause this problem? So now I have to test it. So I put my charger to it, so and I detect that it's not increasing. So I'm now determined to disassemble the phone and check what actually can be the cause. Okay, so I have to disassemble it. So I'm trying to disassemble the phone. Alright, so I'm trying to take my time to disassemble it gently and check what can cause it. As an engineer, you cannot just assume that this is what can cause this. This is what can do. No, you don't have to guess. So what happens is that you have to take your troubleshooting step by step to fix out the problem. So that is the normal way of doing the work, and in which it will give you a perfect result. So that's why I don't need to be parabolating, but I need to go to my troubleshooting step. So trying to disassemble the phone. Alright, so let me start disassemble the phone. Okay. Alright, so first remove the SIM. So that's very important. So I remove the SIM. So after then I will remove the bolt. Okay, I've already removed the bolt. So now remain to remove the screen out. Okay, so I'm trying to take my time and remove it gently. Alright. I will take the battery out. So the first thing I'm going to check is that I'm going to check the battery. So I'm going to check the amount of the footage on the battery. At least if I have a low battery, at least I must have like 3.7 volts. Yes, normal. And from 3.7 volts, the phone will have a capacity, the phone charger will have a capacity to charge the phone. But if it's below than 3.5, so the phone capacity, the charger will not have a capacity to charge the battery. So the first thing I'm going to check for this condition, which usually occur. So I'm going to check the amount of the footage in the battery. Okay, so I'm trying to remove the battery out. Okay. So before I remove the battery out, so first I use one method whereby we detach the battery and put charger to it, and later plug that battery to the back on the charger, so that you can quickly boot the battery. But for this case, this one is not working, rather it's rebooting. So I just decide to remove the battery. So that method didn't work, so I have to remove the battery to check the condition of the battery. So we use that method whereby you put charger first after you have disconnected the battery, and on the charging process you will clip back the battery so that it will quickly boot the battery, but this doesn't work. So later on I remove the battery. So alright, so that's what I perform on that place. Okay, so now I'm going to check the amount of voltage that is on the battery. Okay, so I'm going to take my multimeter to check. Okay, so now let me take my multimeter and check the amount of the voltage of the battery. So don't forget, we are troubleshooting on why the battery is not increasing. Okay, so that's the issue with troubleshooting, charging but not increasing. So I put my multimeter to DC mode on a range of 20 volts. Okay, so that's the range I put my multimeter. Okay, oh guys, you can see the voltage. So we have 3.33 volts. That's bad of the battery. So no, there is no charger you can put to it that can charge the phone. It will not increase because it is low than the limit a charger can pick it. So now I need to boost the battery, so I'm taking out a booster engine. Okay, so I'm taking out a booster engine to check. Alright, so that's what I'm doing right now. So I want to boost it. Alright, so I want to boost it. So that's a booster engine for iPhone. So now I on my DC power supply. So I'm going to connect the booster engine to DC power supply. You can see the setting of my range. I set the voltage to 4 volts and the amperes to 3 volts. That's the normal voltage for putting the battery, and the amperes, so I set it to 3 amperes. So now I'm going to connect my booster engine to the DC power supply. Okay, alright, so now that's what I want to do. Alright, that's good. So I'm connecting it to DC power supply. Alright, that's good. Okay, you can see 4 volts by 3 amperes. Alright, 4 volts by 3 amperes. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just good. That's good. So now I'm going to plug the battery to the booster engine to the compatible connector on it for the iPhone X. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, so look at the booster engine. You can see that the amount of the voltage removed on the battery is 3.3 volts. You can see it show it. So you can see that it show it 3.33 volts. So that's the range of the voltage on the battery. So now let me on the DC. So now it's charging. Now I'm boosting it. So you can see that the amperes is consuming. But mind you, so guys, so now I'm going to leave the battery for some minutes, so I'll come back to it again. Alright, so but as I was seeing this amperes, it's not good. That battery is not good. At least that battery is supposed to start from this consumption from 1000 amperes, but it starts from 240 something amps. So that battery is not good. So guys, after the couple of minutes, so now let me check the battery voltage. So let me see the level of the battery voltage. Alright, so I'll take my multimeter again. So mind you, the first voltage is 3.3 volts. So let's check now the condition of the voltage now. So let's see. So now we have 3.7 voltage. So now in this range, phone charger can charge the phone. So because it's above 3.5, not below 3.5 now. So now the charger will be able to charge the phone. Alright, so we have boosted from 3.3 volts to 3.7 volts. Alright, so now let me fix the battery and check the results, so whether the phone will charge or not. Alright, so now let me show you the percentage. So you have boosted to let me show you the percentage. So you can see that's 9% charging. So now let's see whether it's going to increase more. So let me put it down for some couple of minutes. So now we'll know whether our job is done or not. So from 0% now is on 9 because we have boosted. So now on a normal charging, so I'm charging it with that power bank. So let's see whether it will increase. So it's on 9% now. Okay, so let's wait for a couple of minutes. Right, so now after the couple of minutes, so now we have 19%. Check again. Let's check again. We have 19%. Now it's working perfect. So guys, this is working now perfect. So this is one of the causes for charging but not increasing. So I hope you learn in this class. So guys, follow my account for more knowledge like this. Alright, see you in the next class. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Welcome to EasyTech, Ebenezer Computer and Communication Technology. Bye.